Here I have Wiko View Pro, and let me show you top tricks and hidden features on the following device. Let's start with the first one, which is the Smart Action. Let's go to System, and now choose the Smart Action. Let's check it on, and here we have some useful features, like Wake Up Screen by double tap, Flip to Mute, or Unlock by Power button. Okay, let's go back, and let's go to the second feature. Let's go to Accessibility, and now we need to find the color inversion. Let's check it on, and as you can see, all the color has been inverted. Okay, let's go back, and now let's go to the Adaptive Brightness. Let's tap on Display, Advanced, and here we have the Adaptive Brightness. Let's check it on, and now the brightness of the screen will adjust to the environment or our activities. Let's take it back and go to the fourth one, which is High Contrast Text. Let's go to Accessibility and scroll down to the very bottom. Here we need to check out the High Contrast Text, and now all the text in our phone have the high contrast. It's an experimental option, so this may not look very good. Okay, let's go to the last feature, which is the Fast Widgets or Fast Info. Let's hold on some icon, and here we have, for example, New tab, New Incognito tab, because it's Google Chrome, and down below we have some Chrome widgets. We don't need to find and scroll and search for the Chrome widgets. We have all widgets just here. We can do the same for the all applications, for example SMS or the phone, or for example the Google Photos. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like under the video.